So how we can use this Bing AI chat that is just launched by Microsoft? We are going to check in this video. Apart from that, we are also going to see what are the different benefits and features of this Bing AI chat. So as you can see, I have just searched for Bing AI chat on the Edge browser, that is the browser provided by Microsoft, and over here by default you will get the search section, but we also have the chat section over here. So if we want to click on the chat section, so as you can see, this is like kind of a ChatGPT UI over here where you can easily type your prompt and get the quick response. So let's say we want to know a joke, so I'll just click on this tell me a joke over here. So as you can see, it is generating the response and it is searching for the funny jokes. So basically it is giving me the response that here's a joke for you. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. So basically it also gives you the links from where this answer has been taken. Now this proves that this search engine, that is Bing, has incorporated the features of the ChatGPT and it has given the access of the internet to the ChatGPT, and we are getting the answers from the internet similar to ChatGPT responses. Let's say if you are a programmer over here and let's say you want to find the sum of first 10 numbers using the Python program. So we can simply write Python code to find sum of first 10 numbers. So let's say whether we get the correct code or not. So as you can see, it is generating the response now, Python code to find sum of first 10 numbers. As you can see, this is giving us the Python code over here. What we will do is we will open the VS Code as well. So we will copy this code right now. So I'll just select this code over here and then copy this and paste this in our VS Code where we can run our Python program. So guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, it is showing us sum of first 10 numbers is 55. So this is the exact code that we wanted in order to find the sum of first 10 numbers. Similarly, we can get any code for any programming languages by just prompting the Bing AI chat over here. Now guys, this is very powerful feature as far as this Bing search engine is concerned. It has incorporated the features of ChatGPT 4 as well, which is making it more powerful. Now guys, this is another URL, that is bing.com, and then we have /new over here. Basically this is another URL on which you can just simply start chat over here with the Bing AI, or else there are certain templates that you can use. Like if you want to create a 3-course menu, you can simply click on this try it on Bing option, and then we also have this what art ideas can I do with my kid, and then help plan my special anniversary trip. So over here there are some written prompts that you can use to quickly get the responses from the Bing AI. So let's say I need a big fast car over here. Let me just try this on Bing. So when I click on this, let's see what we get. As you can see, it has searched for what cars should I consider buying that are AWD and so on. So basically we are also getting the response from this Bing AI, as you can see on the right hand side. And this is kind of a summary that we also get from the ChatGPT. So basically this Bing AI will help you in order to get the responses similar to ChatGPT and up to the point. If you are a blogger and you want to create a new blog post about a certain topic, so let's say we come on the chat over here and then let's say write a blog post on how to make tea. So let's say we want to write a blog post on how to make tea. So when we press enter over here, let's see what kind of response we will get from the Bing AI chat. So as you can see, we are getting the response over here in order to make the tea, and the same thing we can provide in our blog post as well, along with the external links that we have referred. So guys, this is a very good feature as far as Bing AI chat is concerned. You can basically chat with the Bing, or else you can also use its AI features in order to find the summarized responses of your queries. Guys, what do you think about this new Bing AI chat? Comment in the comment section below. And if you have got some value out of this video, please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.